Want to turn on Live Translate during a call on a Samsung phone? Here's how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top corner and choose Settings. Now choose Live Translate and toggle it on. Pick your language under Me and the other person's language under Other Person. If prompted, download the necessary language packs so translation can work offline or with minimal delay. Make or receive a call in the native phone app. Once connected, tap Call Assist on the in-call screen, then tap Live Translate to activate real-time translation. You can adjust voice style or speech rate in the Live Translate settings if needed. The other party does not need a specific phone for you to see translations. Live Translate works even if they are on a regular line, and you'll see and hear the translated conversation as it happens. This feature is available on recent Galaxy devices with Galaxy AI support. Make sure your software is up to date and that Galaxy AI features are enabled. If this helped you, tap like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.